This is Mulling campsite. We'd hit the Himalayas. So this was a small group of 2nd of October. Yesterday we witnessed a fresh snowfall in the night, and this is our morning views. What a beautiful view it is. You can also visit Mulling campsite with us. This is Nikhil from Hit the Himalayas. You can also see details in www.hitthehimalayas.com. Or you can also call me. All my details are on website. It's a short trek. Anyone from the age of 8 to 10 can do this beautiful trek. It only takes somewhere around 3 to 4 hours to reach this campsite. And this is one of our clients. एक क्लाइंट से बहुत ही खुश मिजाज सर आपको कैसा लगा हिट द हिमालयाज के साथ?
संजीव जिंदल है, मैं बरेली से हूँ। ज़्यादातर लोग मुझे साइकिल बाबा के नाम से जानते हैं। मैं शब्दों में बयान ही नहीं कर सकता। ये निखिल ने जो हमें सर्विसेज दी